Hello friends, I'm back with another video. In this video, we will be talking about adverbs and pronouns. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me. Adverbs and pronouns. Outside refers to the external part of something, not indoors or within a building. Let's go outside and enjoy the sunshine. Describes being in an open, outdoor space. Always. At all times, without exception. She always wakes up at 6 a.m. Used to describe something that happens every time without fail. Never. Not ever, at no time. He never forgets to bring his keys. Indicates that something does not happen at any time. Usually. In most cases or commonly, habitually. We usually eat dinner at 7 p.m. Describes something that happens often or under normal conditions. Often. Frequently, many times. She often goes for a walk in the morning. Indicates a frequent action. Sometimes. Occasionally, at certain times but not always. I sometimes go hiking on weekends. Refers to an action that happens occasionally. Now. At this present moment or time. We need to leave now if we want to be on time. Refers to the immediate moment. Soon. In a short time, not long from now. I'll see you soon. Indicates something will happen shortly. Two. Also, in addition, more than necessary or desired. She likes pizza too. Shows addition or agreement. Here. In this place or location, where the speaker is. Come here and look at this. Indicates the location where the speaker is. There. In that place or location, not where the speaker is. Look over there, the park is beautiful. Indicates a place away from the speaker. Again. Once more, one more time, in addition to the previous time. Can you explain that again? Indicates repetition of an action. Of course. Certainly, naturally, without a doubt. Of course, I'll help you with your project. Shows confidence and certainty. Really. Truly, in fact, very much or genuinely. I really enjoyed the movie. Shows emphasis or sincerity. Why? For what reason or purpose? Why did you leave early? Asks for a reason. Where? Refers to the place, position, or location of something. Where is the nearest coffee shop? Asks about location. When? At what time or occasion? When does the meeting start? Asks about time. What? Refers to the thing, event, or action. What are you doing? Asks for details about an action or thing. Who? Refers to a person or people. Who is that person? Asks for the identity of someone. How? In what way or manner? How do you solve this problem? Asks for the method or way something is done. Else. In addition to or apart from something already mentioned. Do you want anything else? Refers to something additional. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.